Hello, guys. Oh, it's very cold and windy today. So we got our first temperature drop in the fall. But still, I'm gonna try some luck and see if I can catch any carp or catfish. Today I'm gonna use the chicken liver and the dough bait I used last time. So yeah, let's go. So yeah, I'm using this drop shot rig. It's two hooks and the sinker at the bottom for catfish, and using chicken liver as bait. Yep, like this. And for carp, yeah, I'm using the same Chinese bottom rig with float, same as I used last time. And then I'm using this homemade dough bait. Just attach it to the hook. Yes. And roll it like a ball. Hey guys, our first fish, catfish, like maybe about 1 pound catfish for a day. Not bad. a turtle. Okay guys, it's getting more windy and it's not bad for a 3-hour morning session. I landed like 2 catfish. Yeah, I forgot to turn on the camera for the second one, so I didn't record it. It's kind of disappointing, but overall it's a great morning. Good time to relax and recharge for my next week. So yeah, I think this is it for today. Yeah, I will see you next time. Bye bye. Ethan, say hi.
Hi. 给你爸爸。给你爸爸。Bigger? Okay. See?
Want to throw it? Want to throw it? Okay. Yeah. Hold that. Here it is. It's flew! Oh no! Cross my line! Go, 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 go! Go, go, go! That's a real fish! You see that? Oh my gosh! Look at that! A little catfish! Like a baby! Ooh. See that? Ooh, careful， 它会打到你的。来来，放下来，放下来，放下来。我帮你拿。Look at this tiny catfish, like
Lick it.
5-6 inch long.
Yeah, good job.
Oh my gosh. Try again. Try again. Alright. Go cast it. Oh. Okay. Nice try.